There's a parrot just sitting there. Okay, so this is the L, and this is their breakfast buffet. And you can see they have, you know, some toast, and they have fruit and waffles and some traditional Thai foods over here as well. Yogurts, green chicken curry, noodle with eggs, stir-fried cabbage, Thai zucchini. Oh my gosh. Something called chicken zurich, and then their traditional like chicken sausage, boiled eggs, and so forth. So we had a decent night's sleep last night as well. Bed was moderately comfortable, although more on the firmer side. And here's Dave. And we've already dished out our food, and Dave's got quite the spread going on right here. And I picked some Thai traditional foods like the zucchini and fish sauce and the noodle with the eggs. But they do have some hash browns here, and I don't know, this is that chicken zurich, which looks pretty good. Cappuccino, some juice. And then look at this beautiful view that we have here. There's a parrot just sitting there. Oh my gosh, so cool. I'm trying to see him better, and my video quality's not that good. Let's see if I can get closer to him. There he is. So here's the ocean, and we're just sitting across from here having breakfast, and I just saw blue wings fly by. And there's this beautiful parrot sitting up in the tree. He just flew over here. Let's see him. There he is.
Hi, baby.
Did you just call me baby?
I just called you baby, baby.
Well, I have been beautifully surprised by Krabi. Haven't you, Dave?
I think you should be beautifully surprised by how well I've done putting this amazing trip together so far.
Yeah, so far so good. Nothing has been disrupted or difficult.
So this is going to be on your YouTube channel?
Yeah, it is going to be on my YouTube channel.
If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, you want to be, because I'm going to show you how I bought 18 pieces of clothing like this and these nice shorts for $50. So
yeah, we went shopping.
My YouTube channel is Almost Retired in Thailand, and that's just one of the videos you'll see there.
But you will find out quickly that my channel is better than his. Just kidding. So this walking path right along the ocean, certainly a great place to come after your morning coffee. And this entire road all along here is filled with shopping areas and places to eat, all kinds of different foods, not just Thai food. They have Italian and Mexican, and of course McDonald's. You can't go anywhere without that. But pizza, you name it, they have it along here. So check this out. This is the pool area. I got Dave videoing. Look at this. Not bad.